This is a kind of solenoid made of aluminum foil or aluminum sheet like this. From can, from aluminum can. So this is a for antenna frequency receiver. Like that. Like that. You see that in old type that the antenna for the TV is they use aluminum tube, because aluminum tube can search frequency like this, and it's good to have to make like this to make solenoid made of aluminum. See that? And I try to detect some distance, quite distant like this. This 12. If this kind of detector can reach 12 inches, I think this one can reach more than 12. Like that. Just wait 2 seconds or minute. Okay. See that? It's starting moving, and you see that? And it's moving. Okay. So now I prove that this one can detect gold frequency. So let's now proceed to our new design of making gold detector made of like this. So I'll make it a hole here like that. So okay, like that. Okay, like that. See? So into like that. Okay, like that. See? And then put here. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. And then I'll put this one also. In the hole here. Okay, like that. Bit more to fit in. Like that. So okay. Like that. After that, okay. This is good. PVC. PVC is that cutted aluminum, like aluminum sheet. So and then put here like that. This is the for that. Okay, like that. Cut like this. Okay, like that. Okay. And this is very effective. Like this, and this is not up to mineral. And like this. Okay, like this. Here. So like that. Okay. So here, the balance is about here. So from here, you need to measure it to 1 and 2 inches. 2 inches. So about here, the bala. Okay, here. about 5 mm. This one 4 to 5 mm. Like okay, like that. So that's right. Let's spread it. Okay. Okay. Yep. And make another aluminum sheet. Just tiny cut like this. Like that. There. Okay. This one. This is for balancer. You can see it's called a bolster. Yes. Okay. So now let's put some handle. So I have a bearing about this is 625 ZZ bearing. So because the bearing inside has the grace, so it will not move easily, so smooth. So I have this small amount of gasoline, and then let's wash this to get the grace inside the bearing, like that. Okay. Softly it move freely. You see that? Okay. Okay. You see this? No, without without washing the gasoline, uh, it will not move freely. It's so medyo hard, not like this that was already. You see that it's easily moved. This one will not, so it's good to wash a gasoline so it will not like. Okay, see that about this one without wash. Okay, not like this spin. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay, so this one, it's so hard to like that, huh? Not like this. Okay, so it's good to wash. Then now let's try. Okay, almost it's done, no? This is a PVC pipe, like this. So 1/2 PVC pipe. Okay. Okay, let's try. So the heavy is here. Okay. You just you can paint this one black. Okay. About here. Okay. Okay. Like that. Okay. So I put it to center. Let's observe what happened like that. So this thing, if you bring this one at the actual site or in the field, this will work well. So you see that very small thing here, but the gadget detect it's very small amount. So like that, see that? Okay, I will put at the center again. Okay, like that. So this is very easy to copy, and about the material is very cheap. See that? Okay, I will transfer the gold necklace. Okay, see that? It's very accurate, no? When the gadget locate, very accurate. I put here, drag here the necklace, and let's see. The locator like that. See? Okay, and I will put at the center. See that? Here, this one. Okay. Okay. This is a very simple one. I know you can make this one easily, and it's very accurate. I have here a mineral like this. I don't know if this kind of made can detect a mineral or decoy like this. I have here big decoy like that. Let's try. So this kind of gadget is not subject to decoy, no? Like that. Okay, will not detect a decoy because it made of aluminum. So very accurate like that. See that? Okay. So the gadget ignores the decoy. This one. See that? Okay, all of my viewers and subscribers, shout out to all of you, and I hope you have learned something. Kung nagustuhan mo yung ating vlog ngayon, sana mag-subscribe ka sa aking channel at please support our channel para kapag patuloy tayo sa ating vlog. So this one is very accurate and very active. See this one? Okay, see that? Without moving my hand, but it will turn clockwise. See that? Okay, see that, please? Okay, like that.
testing natin dito sa kung makaka-detect ba siya ng malayo guys. Lagyan natin dito banda sa may siguro mga 10 feet. Yan dito. So guys. Yan o 10 feet. Layan guys no. Yan. Bukan ko lang guys no kung makaka-detect siya dun sa banda. Bukan niya guys doon sa banda. Yan, kaya pa yun guys oh. Kaya guys, kaya. Yan oh. Kaya siya guys. So, puntahan natin siya. So guys, na banda lang. Dito naman ako banda guys. Yan guys oh. Punta sa doon. Atin guys. Pag nasento siya guys. Yan, ikot siya talaga oh. Malakas din ang pick up niya guys. Tayo siya mga 1 meter guys sa baba guys oh. Lakas na mag-ikot guys. So hanggang dito lang ating vlog. Good luck sa inyo lahat at shout out sa lahat mga guys. Thanks for watching.